This demonstration walks through the process of adding and modifying a firewall rule on the XG firewall. Let's take a look at an example scenario where an administrator may need to create a new firewall rule. An administrator has been asked to set up their XG firewall to allow IMAP email traffic in and out from the LAN to the WAN. Let's look at how to do this on the XG firewall. We'll start off by logging into the XG firewall, and then we'll select Firewall under the Protect menu items. To create a new firewall rule, we'll click Add Firewall Rule in the top right. From here, we can select either a user or network rule or a business application rule. In this case, we'll create a user or network rule. We'll start off by specifying a rule name, and we'll also give it a short description. Next, we'll specify our source zones, and in this case, these will be LAN and Wi-Fi. For our destination zone, we're going to select WAN. Under Services, we'll select IMAP as a service that this rule applies to. Let's deselect Match Known Users. Under the Content Scanning settings, we'll go ahead and enable Scan HTTP, Sandstorm, and FTP scanning. In the Advanced section, we're going to set Intrusion Prevention to General Policy. We'll set the Traffic Shaping Policy to Extremely Limited, and we'll leave Masquerading turned on Mask All Outbound Traffic to the external WAN port. Lastly, we'll select Log Firewall Traffic, and then we'll go ahead and click Save. Our firewall rule has been created. Clicking on the rule name will allow us to edit the rule, or alternatively, clicking on the drop-down list towards the right here, you can turn the rule on and off. Here on this list, we can also edit the rule by selecting the Edit option. In this demonstration, we walk through the process of creating a new firewall rule, disabling and enabling an existing rule, as well as editing an existing rule.